Tired of that pesky Oxolo watermark ruining your videos? Let's dive into how you can get rid of it, starting with the power of video editing software, like Adobe Premiere Pro. First, import your Oxolo video into your editing timeline. Next, we have a couple of options. Method 1. Zoom in. Simply zoom into your video, slightly cropping the edges where the watermark resides. This allows you to remove the watermark without much hassle. Method 2 involves masking. Use the masking tool to trace around the watermark. Then, blur or apply a mosaic effect to the masked area, effectively concealing it. Experiment with the blur intensity until the watermark is fully obscured. Export your edited video, and you're done. The Oxolo watermark is gone. If you aren't using Adobe Premiere Pro, you can use the same methods in Final Cut Pro or similar software. Even with free programs, there are many options such as using blurring or masking. There you have it, your videos are now watermark-free. Remember to always respect copyright and usage rights when editing videos.